Okay, Rick Steel Customs coming at you again with this is a short. I'm going to just show you real quick what I saw on the passenger side. As you can see, it is notched, just like on the driver's side. However, you could see the driver's side is quite a bit more notched. It has this little wrinkle right here. That does not exist on this side. Another thing you can see on this side, the top of the core support is even with the top of the radiator. Or on this side, you have about 1/4 of an inch. So this side is down, and you can also tell by the stress on this bracket, how this bracket is tilted up. This one is basically flush and has a little gap underneath the bracket and the washer and the radiator. There's no gap. Thanks for watching.